Set 1. Who are you? What is your name? My name is Tom. How old are you? I am 10 years old. Where do you live? I live in town. Where are you from? I am from here. How are you today? I am very happy. Set 2. What do you like? What do you like? I like sweet apples. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Do you like dogs? Yes, I like dogs. Do you like cats? No, I don't like cats. Set 3. What do you have? What do you have? I have a book. Do you have an apple? Yes, I have. Do you have pens? No, I don't. Do you have a phone? No, I don't have a phone. Do you have a tablet? Yes, I have a tablet. Set 4. What can you do? What can you do? I can swim fast. What can you do? I can sing well. Can you jump high? Yes, I can. Can you fly high? No, I can't. Can you bake cakes? Yes, I can bake cakes. Set 5. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading books. Are you eating lunch? Yes, I am. What is he doing? He's drawing pictures. Is she sleeping now? No, she isn't. What are they doing? They are playing games. Set 6. What do you do? When do you wake up? I wake up at 6. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, I do. How do you go to school? I walk to school. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. Do you sleep late? No, I don't. Set 7. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel so brave. Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, I am sleepy. Why is she sad? She lost her toy. Is he feeling sick? No, he is fine. Are we good friends? Yes, we are. Set 8. Where is it? Where is your bag? It is right here. Where is the dog? It's under the table. Where is the cat? It's on the chair. Where is the toy? It's in the box. Is it inside here? Yes, it is. Set 9. Which one is yours? Which one do you like? I want this one. Which one is your bag? This one is mine. Which one is your book? This one is my book. Which one is his pen? This pen is his. Which marker is yours? This marker is mine. Set 10. What will you do? What will you do? I will study hard. Will you play outside? Yes, I will play outside. Will you help me? Yes, I will help. What will we study? We will study math. What will we learn? We will learn English. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.